piezoelectric single crystal power generator for low frequency vibrating machine system. I will teach about this and only this. The CXP and its analytical formulation. First, introduction. Now, this is the introduction. Due to recent developments in the micro-electromechanical spectrum technology and the wireless sensing ecosystem, the demand for portable electronics and wireless sensors is growing very fast. This wireless sensor modes require very low power. You can see this mechanism of a schematic diagram of the CXP is not to a scale. Piezo single crystal to a steel thin to a material mass. This is section CXPG3 equivalent steel beam L2 to L3 L3 EQ. Now this we will see at this line. You can see now this and this line. This line are the first introduction of power system for low frequency. Now for this production now TV channel 1 by 3 zero okay. Now let's TV diode for so this will be this time monitoring purpose the performance of a track electrode so this side we can see now this we can clear this about the CXPG3 analytical formulation. Second is that a vibrating characteristics a schematic CXPG3 is shown in figure 1. Now you can see consists of a steel seam with a single crystal element of the same with bonded onto it in the region adjacent to the clamped end but as part of the clamped end. So this is piezoelectric single crystal. Now this interior mass. So the interior mass piezo single crystal steel same interior mass. Now look at this is section. Now we can see that the this applied represented so we can see that introduction of this now second. So about this uh, I will understand that introduction for when I studied that. So second is the is the displacement in the transverse direction. You can see the formulations. You can see formulations in this. Now these formulations are very important. Please read this is very important. Now this you can see that where we can found that yx f cos plus f2 cos bx. Now this is the replacement or displacement of the where we can xy is interior as same cos f2 by bx. Now you can see that so where is y displacement transverse direction per unit length to 15 the solution of the subject to the boundary conditions and interior conditions in sodial displacement. Now at that we see that the formulations and analyticalization of that. So third we can see that modified steel sim, piezo sim, composite sections, trains, and many things about that. Output voltage and power generated CXPG3 and the formulations. You can see the formulations here. Now the where EP and E the respective elastic modulus is very important. You can see that composite section and strains to a first y to y, and first is that piezo sim, piezo strains, stresses. Now this is that the composite. We can see M12 E18 by E16. Now this is that we can see modified by this. The voltage component of the electrical displacement is thickness transverse since DQ D3 campusenses. This D3 transverse piezoelectric voltage consists of active element. This active element formulation is that we can see. And third is that parts of CXPG steel same dimension mm 40 multiplied by 4.5 multiplied 0.4 dimension piezo single crystal 11 multiplied by 4.5 multiplied 0.2 by 6. Now interior mass, this is interior mass, 4 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 2.5. The conditions is the description detail the parts of CXPG3. Now look at this. This is very important. Voltage response, peak voltage is V. Now this line is this and this experimental and analytical. Now the voltage is time response of CXPG3 acceleration photograph showing the test up to CXPG3. We we amplify all the things of that. So you can see that accelerometers, shaker, power amplifier, load resistance, charge amplifier, load resistance, and 6 PG3 accelerometer. To test this, our department of piezoelectric testing, now that we can see the experiment details, showing you pictograph or so. Now fourth is that average, a maximum specimen number, input parameter, predicted stresses, active element, result and discussion, and all the things you are seeing that are piezo, experimental and analytical, peak voltage versus load resistance. You can read that carefully. And fifth, conclusion, acknowledgement, references, vibration digest, secondly analysis. Now all the things you see may be that, but now at the peak you can see, and this circle and this circle, I will do that too. So fifth conclusion, this work investigated acknowledgement. So we see that references, many caricatures, and many things. You notice that about the things. Thank you.